All right, guys. So the next concept that we have is customary units of weight. So again, the Americans or America uses different systems than everybody else. We use like pounds and ounces, where some people use they use the metric system, so they'll use grams and different things. So not different things, but not what we use. So we have ounces, and you might see this. So this is how much things weigh. So ounces, pounds, and tons. So we only have three. So there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. And there are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. And that is our customary units. I know that seems kind of silly that we only have like 2 conversions. So again, when we're doing our conversions, we have to decide, what do we need more of? What is smaller? So if we're trying to go from tons to ounces, we need more. If we're trying to go from ounces to tons, we need less. So when we need more, we need to multiply. And when we need less, we need to divide. So for example, say we had 4 pounds. And we want to know how many ounces we have. Well, pounds is a bigger measurement, so we're going up. So that means we need to multiply. What are we going to multiply the 4 by? We're going to multiply the 4 by 16, because there's 16 ounces in a pound. So 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So there's 64 ounces in 4 pounds. Okay, so then we have this next conversion. And sometimes it's just basically like common sense. So a half a ton. So if I have a half a ton, how many pounds do I have? Well, in 1 ton, I have 2,000 pounds. So what would I have to do there? I would have to divide. I have to divide 2,000 by a half. And we should know by now that dividing by a half just means cutting the number in half. So 2,000 cut in half is just 1,000. So that's just a little trick. Now, sometimes you'll have it that you'll have a remainder, like it won't come through evenly, and you'll see like 2 boxes. So for example, if we said that we had we'll go with the other one we just had. So we knew that 4 pounds was 64 ounces. So what if I had 70 ounces? And I want to know how many pounds that I had. Okay, so if I need more, I multiply. If I need less, then I divide. And I need less pounds because ounces are smaller, so I'm going to divide. And then divide 70 divided by 16. So now I just have to kind of guess. And we already know this is why I did it this way. We knew that it was close to 4. So 16 times 4 is 64. And just use a calculator if you need to, because, do what you need to do to get it done. And then we would have 6 left over. So we have a remainder of 6. So we would have 4 pounds, and then this remainder would just still be ounces, so we'd have 6 ounces left, because it doesn't go in there evenly. Okay? Okay, so then we would have 8,000 pounds equals how many tons? Well, do I need more tons, or do I need less of them? And it's a bigger measurement, so I need less of them, so I'm going to divide. I'm going to divide 8,000 divided by 2,000. And I shouldn't be doing it this way, because I should know that I should just cross out my zeros, and then 2 divided by 8 would be 4. So basically you're doing the same exact thing that we have been doing with like the inches, the feet, and the yards, but now we're using the words ounces, pounds, and tons. And now the numbers are just different. Okay? At the beginning of the week, which I'll post this so that it's there, you might be doing some estimating. So you just say like, what would be the measurement? So like if I had a swimming pool, okay, well, would I use ounces, pounds, or tons? If I was measuring a car, Would I use ounces, pounds, or tons? Well, a car would be tons. If I was measuring a person, which would I use? Ounces, pounds, or tons? If I was measuring a bowl, I probably would use ounces. Okay? And you know where to find me if you have any questions.